My 11-year-old son loves playing on a soccer team and really wanted to be able to practice when he's at home. So that's why he decided to buy himself this 12 by 16 soccer goal. He also wanted to build it all by himself. And it's light enough that he can move it all the way to the backyard and then lay out all the pieces to build it without any help, even though he weighs less than 70 pounds. It took a little getting used to reading the directions and making sure everything was locked in the right place, but overall, he was able to do it pretty quickly. He did need a step stool to reach the top, but it wasn't that inconvenient to do. And though it's not regulation size, he loves that he can get some real practice in at home. I love that it is weather resistant and easy enough to move around the yard so that when I'm ready to mow the lawn, it's not a big deal. I can just scooch it out of the way.